Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, तो क्या हाल है? Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about how to create Amazon affiliate links, Amazon affiliate program, Amazon affiliate program. Make Amazon affiliate program website step by step guide. Make a Amazon affiliate marketing website step by step. Create an affiliate website without coding skills based for beginners. Amazon affiliate marketing home based business. Amazon create Amazon affiliate links. Amazon affiliate program, how to become Amazon associate, how to create Amazon links. The Amazon affiliate program, also called Amazon associates, can be easy way to monetize your website or blog. Simply sign up, receive immediate approval and place Amazon affiliate links in your site. What is Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon affiliate program, Amazon associates, is affiliate program. It's free website owners and bloggers to become Amazon associate. They advertise products in Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When customers click the link and buy products from Amazon, they earn referral fees. Free e-commerce planning kit. Fill out the form of exit your templates. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing tactic when online retailer gives niche website. How does the Amazon affiliate program works? Amazon affiliate program rules and requirements. Being an Amazon associate is a great way to monetize passion projects. How to become Amazon affiliate? Create a website or blog. Navigate to Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. Enter your account information. Enter your website address. Create a website or blog. Navigate the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. Enter your website address. Enter your preferred store ID. Explain how to drive traffic to your site. Create Amazon affiliate links. Hope you understand. Like our video, subscribe our channel. We will meet on tomorrow next video at the same time on the channel. Thanks for watching.